G'day, I'm Donnie, and this is DIY tips and tricks for your notebook. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screen on your laptop, and this is going to be on a Packard Bell. Now you get mainly two different kind of screens in circulation at the moment. You get the older screen, which is just a normal screen that you get. The newer ones are usually referred to as the slim screen. Now that is because they're actually physically smaller, and I'll be showing you how to work on that one in a different video, as it does work slightly differently. Now, in order to get started with this notebook, as you can see, this doesn't have an external battery, it's got an internal one. I've already actually disconnected that so we can start working. Now, the tools that we're going to need, as always, is just going to be a little star screwdriver, a ball for our screws, and then a little plying tool just to ply all the plastic bits together. Now, in order to replace the screen, the best is to usually start at basically anywhere. I usually like starting at one of the corners. I'm on. There you go. So once you have it open a bit and you start plying it apart, it actually comes out quite easily. Just gotta work your way around, just being gentle as to not break any of the clips. They do actually break quite easily. There we go. There's our bezel. Now you've got to work very carefully, as all these wires is going around here, which is for like your Wi-Fi antennas and your webcam, your display cable. They are actually very easy to damage. You just got to work very carefully not to break them. Now, in order to remove the screen, there is a bunch of screws that we have to remove, because as always there's more screws. Now, the biggest difference between the older screens like this one and the new ones is these actually have a metal frame that goes around the screen that you actually need to separate from the screen itself. Let's just get all the screws out so we can actually remove it. Now, if these frames usually are on top of your hinges for your screen, that means they're usually one in the same unit. So the best is just remove all the screws. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now again, just working very carefully, we just lift this up, because all we want to do is get these screws on the side. Seems my screwdriver is too big. There we go. Now you've got to keep in mind, once you've got all your screws out, eventually, the screen cable is still connected here at the back. Now these are usually taped down quite well, just to prevent them from coming loose easily. Just pull the tape loose. Now if you do damage this tape or remove it completely by accident, the best is to get insulation tape as a replacement. Now there we go. See, as you can see, the cable removes quite easily, and as you can see, the connectors are quite small and fragile. Old screen out. Get our new screen. And now we just do the opposite. Then we just come on, connector. There we go. And just stick your tape down again. There we go. Now comes the fun bit. You just swing back into its hinges. And not just broken. Okay, let's try this again. One screw in. We're just going to make the rest a lot easier. Second screw in. Will help if I use the correct screws. There we go. Now it's just a simple matter of putting all the other screws back in place. One last screw. There we go. All back together again. Now we just take our bezel. Just make sure it's in there properly. There we go. Then just by applying pressure around the edges. There we go. One screen replaced. Well guys, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, awesome. Please do subscribe if you want to see more tips on how to fix your own notebooks in the future. Thank you for watching again, and I'm Donnie. Enjoy the rest of your day.